Hey guys, just want to give you a quick run video of my Hoover convertible, soft and light. As you all know, it's pretty much another way Hoover rebadged the Elite. So, got to adjust it to the lowest setting for this carpet. It's got a nice brush roll in it with a good brand new belt on it and a brand new bag in it. So let's go ahead and give it a quick run. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. So, here's that motor I was telling you about out of it. As you can see, the fan was shattered. It shattered a big piece out of the casing. And, well, now it's not going to allow me. But, I was able to completely separate the casings from the shaft. There we go. So, all that's pretty much good on it is just internal parts. There's your little switch for off and on. So yeah, it's got some good internal parts. That's about it. So yeah, that's why the machine was not fixed for the customer when I got this for free from the vacuum store that closed. So I've had this for a while. So hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of this.